Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go! Alright, so as you can see, I do have my bandana on right now. That is because I did something to my hair. It's kinda new. I haven't done anything like it before. But will you like it? It's time for the big reveal. It's time for the big reveal! Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Alright guys, I two-strand twisted my hair. Yeah, I'm playing, it was nothing new. I just two-strand twisted my hair. Nothing new. If y'all want like a mini tutorial on how to get your hair like this, leave it in the comments, alright? Just leave it in the comments. Y'all don't be leaving stuff in the comments. If you don't leave it in the comments, how am I supposed to know that that's what y'all want to see? So leave it in the comments. I will do a quick tutorial on how all this is done. Quite simple. But I am going to say this though, if you are going to do it, it's very time consuming. So be sure to have some snacks, you know, a couple of drinky drinks, you know what I'm saying, on standby. Netflix if you need it on standby, some music or something, because it's going to take a minute. This is it. Well, if y'all want a tutorial, leave it in the description and I will give it to you. I promise that. Because it's not that hard to do. It's really not. People make it harder than it seems. I don't know why. But I will show you how to do it the right way. Or just get a professional to do it, you know what I'm saying? And this is the free way. Who don't like the free way? It's the free way. Just do it your damn self. But I got you. Leave it in the comments if you want to get a tutorial. But that's the end of this video. I'll talk to y'all later. And I'm out.
Y'all already know what to do at this point. Hit that subscribe button. Never miss another video. Be a part of TJ Squad and be connected all around. Thank you.